Welcome all to today's live trade in futures. Okay, I have trade in futures just before a minute. You can see here. I have bought 100 quantities at the rate of 21,910. Okay, and my stop loss is very near. I have placed a stop loss as you won't believe, but I have placed the stop loss. You can see here 21,869. Right, that means 21,870 only. Okay, I will tell you why I put the stop loss at that level and taken a risk for 40 points and waiting for target at least 100 points. Okay, so you just watch it and I will explain you more that why I've taken this trade. If target is hit or stop loss is hit, then I'll explain you all. Okay, till then just watch it. Okay, you can see now market has given a spike, but how tremendous psychological change in our mind that if market is going to touch the stop loss, right, suddenly come up. And these feelings are after trade. Okay, so if we have done a good analysis for trading, then we need not to worry much, right? And if we doing like without analysis trade, then we have a fear in mind that what can be happen. Like I have also fear in mind that if my stop loss could trigger. So but I told you how I analyze the market, right? How I analyze the market and my levels. If you not seen my levels, you can see in the in the morning video. Okay, I've shown you, right? So that level you should have ready. Okay, if you watching my video, so you know that where I'm analyzing my trades. Okay, you can say still I have not exited the trade. You can see here I'm still waiting. Okay, so now what I want to tell you, you can see here I'm going to live market watch. Now just try to analyze the market. Okay, why I put a stop loss there, I'm giving you the reason. Okay, the reason is valid. You can see here, if you see, as I drawn level by finding the lows and high of yesterday's candle, you can see here. Okay, you can see this. And if you see the 15-minute candle or 5-minute candle, there is, you can see this was a breakout. Like this candle, this candle was a breakout candle for today. Okay, I want to show you, you can see this. This is the breakout candle, right? This is the breakout candle, and you can see this is a support line for this. Means market has gone up, again coming down and try to consolidate over there, right? Try to consolidate over there. That's why I bought I bought here when this market is here, and keep a stop loss near to just 30 points. I keep it, right? And you can see stop loss exact level also. Um, telling you whatever the height and whatever the gap between this candle, high and low gap. Okay, high and low calculations, if you calculate the high and low of this calculator, this comes around 21,870. So that's why I put that stop loss over there. Okay, and I'm still watching that trade. You also watch it, and let's see what's happened again. Okay, it can again come down and go to the levels. Okay, and what could be a target level, you also can find that. Okay, you just go to the daily level and find that. You can see here the target is very huge. It has a potential to achieve this target also, right? But we have to consider a time also. What is the time, right? What is the time it has? Time to time for today, right? But I think the market can go to 22,165 in the cash level. Okay, so we can watch this, right? And if you have a profit bearing capacity, then you should have a loss bearing capacity also. Because what happened, when it comes to profit, we book it as early as possible. And when it comes to loss, we wait for more. Okay. And that's why we lose money in market, right? This is just for a test study purpose. You have to analyze yourself, because whatever I have thought, whatever my thinking is, this is not compulsory that the same thinking should be yours. Okay. And that greediness and fear is always in every position, right? So I'm just signing out. i'll I will share this video on YouTube and Facebook also. You can watch there. Now you can see what is my target was only 100 points, like 8,000 is getting. So it's better I'll exit, but the target is 22,160. Okay. But as I am also a person, right? Some psychological thinking, my mind also do. Okay. So I have to do another works also. So I'm just exiting my trade. You can see here. Just and exit. Okay. Now you can see here. I've exited at 22,012. Okay. And you can see this can be happen. No problem. But what I want to show you, this type of trade, this type of trading, everybody can do if you have a little bit risk bearing capacity and you can wait in market. Okay, if you can wait in market for a right opportunity, it is not compulsory that when the market open you should trade. It is not compulsory. Okay, because I want to show you, for earning this 10,000, there might be a loss. I already shown you the stop loss also. 10,000, sorry, 10,000 rupees profit. To get a 10,000 rupees profit, how much you should have in your account, right? So if you are using a leverage of the company, that should be a very strategical manner. Okay. I just want to say you, for just this type of videos and live trading, I'm using 4 to 5 accounts. My main account is different, right? I'm using some of my family accounts. Okay. I'm just showing you how much margin in that account. You can check. It's my sister's account. You can check here. What is the margin here? Only 13,698 rupees is available there. And on that, I have traded in 4 lots, right? So I have used a leverage here in cover order. If you know the cover order, then you know better what is the leverage in cover order. Okay, you can buy a 1 lot even in 3,000 margin also, right? So that's the main thing which we need to do. Now you can see I could get more 10,000 rupees. Just I'm talking with you, right? You can see the timing also, right? I'm showing you. You can see the timing. It's 2:03:22 p.m. It's August 18, right? This is the lifetime. And what I told you, the target. You can see the target, right? You can see the target. I just shown you the chart. This is the chart, right? And this is the target. You can see here. The first target is going to achieve, and next target is more than that. So this type of trade, if you are getting this type of trade, you can get a good benefit out of it, and you can do much better. Okay. So do this trade. If you have a risk bearing capacity, only if you can lose money, then only you do this trade. if you don't want to lose your much money, don't want to take any stress, right? So option hedging strategy is better for you. You can modify your strategy in that. Okay, but you need a huge value in that. Might be on the 10 lakh of investment, you could get that 10,000 rupees, but that could be a safer. And this is the riskiest. If anybody want to do this, just how to analyze more and do this. You should have a levels every day. Okay, so if you want more information about this, you can WhatsApp me. I'm giving my number in description. Okay, you can ask me and trade yourself. Bye bye.